Are you looking for another way to actually make money online? Typing job is another thing you want to consider to actually make money for yourself online. Let's say you are actually looking for a side hustle, you're looking for something to actually make you money at the comfort of your home, your mobile phone, or even your laptop. So, typing job is something you want to consider to actually do online. So, if you have the opportunity, if you have the chance to actually type, you can actually make money online. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you typing jobs to actually make money online with no even experience. What you simply need to do is to know how to actually type, and I'm very sure this is something you do every day. You can probably type on your mobile phone or on your laptop. So this is very appealing to anybody who actually wants to make money online, and you can actually make between $150 to 1,215 total monthly earning. I mean, this is the earning you can actually make. You can make between $150 to 1,215 per month. And what you do basically is that you transcribe from audio to text. So you might be given a audio file, something that was recorded, the audio file or a video file, then they ask you to convert it to a normal text. So this is them asking you, they need a text of this thing. So they give you a recorded voice or a recorded video. So what they ask you to do is to convert it to a text. So this simply means that you are going to be listening to what they are saying in the video or in the audio, and you are going to be typing everything out. So that is what they actually need from you. So, and as you can see right here, up to 0.60 cents per audio or video minute. So if you are transcribing a minute video, that means you are earning $0.60. So that's to tell you that if you are now doing like 10-minute audio, that is multiplied by $0.6, and I can tell you this is the amount you are going to be making on just you transcribing a 10-minute audio to text. So this is another cool way you can actually make money online by you just typing alone. So anybody can actually do this. You can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on your laptop at the comfort of your home. I mean, you don't really need to go somewhere, you don't need to apply for anything. So as you can see right here, the registration is very seamless. We'll be sending you an SMS with a code. You need to verify your account, you need to do a face photo during registration. This is not a Ponzi scheme. You have to work for this to actually make money on this platform. So all of this verification is good, is really needed. And as you can see right here, you do this transcription job from home. I mean, you do, all you need is just a laptop, a computer, or your mobile phone and internet connection to access everything they will be giving you to actually make this money, and you get paid reliably, receive weekly payout via PayPal for all work completed. So you are going to receive your payment via PayPal or Payoneer. So in my previous video, I made mention how you can actually set up a PayPal account and as well and a Payoneer account as well. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well, and you can find it at the left or right corner right here. So this is where you can actually set up a payment in case they want to pay you. This is where you are going to receive your payment, and you everything you do, you can receive the payment, and from there you can transfer to your local account. I mean, this is something a lot of young people are actually doing these days, and they are making cool money from it. And as well, as you can see right here, you can work based on flexible hour, work as much or as little as you want whenever you want. So this is something that give you flexibility hour. You can always work on your own, and you don't need to like, okay, you need to work like 10 hours in a day. You don't need all of that. You work based on your own schedule. So you have the customer support available for you. You choose the project you want, and with that you even growing your skill on knowing how to transcribe job online. So job have been posted every minute for you. So if you have the opportunity, you can do as many job as you want per day. So what you want to do after this right now is to click on the apply button right here, which says apply now, and the name of this website is actually called gotranscript.com. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So if you click on that link, it's going to take you straight to this website, and here you have the opportunity to click on the button here that says apply now. So if you click on apply now, it's going to take you to the page whereby you are going to register your account. Here you select the language you want, which is English. So what you want to do right now is to create your own account. So with the course of this, I've already created accounts which I want to use for you guys to see what I'm doing exactly. I have an account which I've been using to work as a transcriber. So I just create a new account just to show you guys how the registration look exactly. So I've not really done anything on this new account. I just create the account. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on the login button to actually log in my account to show you guys what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do right now is to log in right here. I have an account already, so just log in, and that is going to take me to the page where I'm going to do a test. So before you can be approved to actually work on this platform, they need to test your ability to know if you really qualify for this job or not. So with that, you are going to be given a just a 10 question to actually answer to really know your ability if you're a robot or you are not, to know if you understand what you are doing or not. So this question, as you can see right here, apply for transcription position. To apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct. So that means everything you're going to be doing here has to be 100% correct. And as you see, so each question can have one more or more correct answer. So you have to be very careful about this question here and the answer you're going to be picking, because because they actually want it to be 100% correct. So if you didn't pass this stage, they are not going to proceed you to the next stage to actually start being a transcriber to actually make money on this platform. So you have to be very careful. And one thing is that if you fail this test, you can always come back to it and do it again. So it's something that you can keep trying just to make sure that you get the accurate answer and get it 100%. So if you didn't get it 100%, you can always try it again and again, and the question is always still the same thing. So another thing you want to do right here is that if after you finish applying, so they are going to confirm your registration in less than 7 days. So when you finish the registration, so in less than 7 days, they are going to contact you to let you know if you actually qualify for being a transcriber on this platform or not. So what you want to do right now is to just go ahead and apply, and apply. Click on the apply button, answer all these 10 questions, and after then you confirm, you submit your account. So you can always go ahead and do some other things. Or right here you have your dashboard here, and under your dashboard, this is where you can always come ahead and do some other settings. As you can see right here, we have my order here. So nothing is actually here right here. So loyalty discount, nothing much you really have here. This is actually where you can always refer people to join this platform as well. And if you join anybody, if you invite anybody there, if you invite anybody that join this account, you have a commission coming to you as well. So from here you can see your loyalty, your referral balance, and as well here we have balance here. This is showing you how much you have in your account right here. And if you click on account settings as well, you have some things that you can always work around right here to see how they are really working. And as well, you have notification, you have affiliate. The affiliate is actually when you bring somebody to actually join the platform with you. So this is where you actually do your withdrawal. So let's take for instance, you already make some sales right here, and from here you can actually withdraw. When you click on withdraw, it's going to take you to where you're going to put your Payoneer account or your PayPal account to actually receive the fund. So it's very simple to actually get started on this platform. It's very simple to actually start. Everything you just need to do is to click on the apply now button, and you're going to be taken to the page whereby you're going to apply. Then when you're being approved, everything seems perfectly working, and you're simply good to go. You are simply good to go to start working as a transcriber. So everything, they are going to be notifying you if there's any job for you, there's anything to work on for you. So you can take up to work on a 20-minute video depending on the time and ability you have to actually do that. And the more work you do, the more money you actually make for yourself online. So this is something that you can always do to actually make money for yourself online. Coming over here, you just need to click on the button here that says join as a transcriber. You're going to be taken to the page right here, and that page is whereby you are going to have the button here that says apply now. So here you can actually make all of this money. You can actually make $150 to 1,250 or $215 per month. month. So this is another cool way you can actually make money online. So I hope you guys find value in this video. If you find value here, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe by clicking on this on subscribe button below to actually get more notified anytime I drop another amazing video. So I have some other videos you can go ahead to watch on my channel here. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. Thank you guys.